As it is right now, ChatGPT can do every single thing for you, right? So I use ChatGPT to do almost everything, including design, creating of content, creating of digital products. But today, because of one of the requests that I received, I want to show you guys how you can literally use ChatGPT to boost your YouTube account, right? So if you are creating YouTube videos and you're having difficulties trying to go about creating titles, you're finding difficulty in trying to create titles, you're not able to really get the best of your descriptions, the keywords that are required for the type of video you are making, then this is how to get it done using ChatGPT. Like, I created this stuff for how long now? I think close to since the beginning of this year, and it has been working. It changed how my video is being presented on the YouTube, from thumbnails to the description. So today, let me show you what I want to show you how to do. If you check here by the left hand side, you will see that I have YouTube SEO optimization. This particular window, I created it specially for the purpose of creating YouTube description and YouTube titles. And this is what I do. I literally come, maybe let's say once I have a video that I want to post, just a title of the video, I copy the title of my video that I've made and I will take it to the ChatGPT. And by the way, this is a free ChatGPT. So when I take it to this ChatGPT, what I do is that I have a pre-made SEO title. I have a pre-made prompt. And this is what the prompt is all about. Look at the prompt here. This is all I need and this is all I use. I said, assume you are an award-winning YouTube marketing expert. I need you to generate a high compelling SEO optimized YouTube video description designed to get massive organic visibility and captivate the audience attention, plus the keywords and for the video and for this video title, right? Plus the keyword and for this video title. Then I'm going to put the video title inside here, right? Then I will also say, also generate a better attention grabbing and curiosity driven title. This is the only thing I've been using in all my videos and even videos of my clients. So for instance, let's say we digital products using AI. Let me just copy this one. So let's say this is what I want to do. When I come to ChatGPT like this, you have to open a brand new window of like a new ChatGPT. When you copy the new ChatGPT, come and paste whatever title you want to use. Paste the title on the window. So once I paste this title here of my normal video, then I will now copy the prompt. Now I will leave this prompt on the description box so that you can use it. So I come here, I paste the prompt. You have to repeat this prompt every time you want to create your title and description. Don't just say because the ChatGPT window already have the prompt that you want to just be telling him create another one. When you do that, you are going to get a very wrong result. So I come here, copy this one here, copy, then go to this place where I already have another title. Just delete it and paste the new title you now have. Look at my new title now, creating digital products using AI. And with this, I just click enter. Now when I click this, I'm giving ChatGPT a powerful command of what I want. I want a description that's going to get organic visibility, which simply means that when the kind of description this tool is going to give me will be a description that when somebody search on Google, my video will appear. And my videos have been appearing on Google and on YouTube when people search it, right? I can even show you my analytics. You will see them. I've been getting a lot of views because of that. So this is what we have. It's still creating. Let's wait for it to finish. Okay, it's still creating. So now you say got it. Let's create this in a way that grabs attention, ranks on YouTube search, and keep viewers hooked. Good. Now I gave it one title. Look at the title it brought back. First thing is how to create a profitable digital product with AI step by step. This is way better than what I gave it, right? That is it. Second one here is AI digital products. Create and sell online in 24 hours. You see, I created a digital product with AI in minutes. Here is how. The fastest way to build a digital product using AI. I can just go with this. These are beautiful titles, highly optimized. So I don't need to be cracking my brain about titles for my videos anymore. Even when you want to go for title for your digital products or a particular content, just give it a very good prompt and you will get this. Then now, this is for the title. Here's the description. Want to start an online business fast? In this video, I will show you exactly how to create a product using AI step by step. Whether you are a beginner or an entrepreneur looking to scale, AI make it possible to build, package, and sell your digital products in record time. Perfect, right? And all these things, you can just copy all this and paste, like it's all in line. Now this AI don't even need to know the content of your video. Now after copying this and pasting it on your description and copying this title as your title, this part here, you copy everything here and paste it in your keyword option. You know, when you are posting YouTube video, you have a keyword part where you put the keywords and the tags. Go and paste this there. Once you paste this there, it will be ranking based on the title and the description. You have a triple effect to get your videos very out there, and people will see it very fast. I've been getting organic traffic very well just by using this AI. AI is very effective, right? Don't be among those that are saying, I'm a human being, I can do better than AI. Nobody's dragging with you. You are a human being. But guess what? There are things that you cannot they are even incomparable on how you can do things when it comes to AI doing them for you, right? You just need to be the manager, the overseer, like at the top, then allow the AI to do all the repetitive and all the creative part, but you come up with the idea, be the source, and let the AI be the finisher. So that is the entire thing, and that's what I do in my YouTube videos and some other content using ChatGPT, and it's all in my free account. Go and use this and test it out for yourself and see how it works. If you want to learn how to create digital product using AI, watch this next video from beginning to the end and see how to do that immediately and start selling your own digital products on the internet. See you in the next one. Bye bye for now.